Hey everyone! Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting adventure, how to start making money online with minimal time investment. If you've ever dreamed of making cash while sipping your coffee, stick around. I've got a game-changing 10-step guide that's going to turn that dream into reality. Ready? Let's jump in. Step 1. Discover your superpowers. Think of your skills and interests as your secret weapons. What are you great at or passionate about? Whether it's graphic design or writing, identifying your strengths is the key to unlocking your online earning potential. Step 2. Pick your money-making model. Picture this: you could be an affiliate marketing superhero, a digital product creator, or a savvy investor. Choose a path that suits your lifestyle and allows you to maximize profits with minimal time. Step 3. Build your digital fortress. Create a professional website or social media profiles that shine. Think of it as your online headquarters where all the magic happens. Step 4. Become an affiliate marketing pro. Sign up for affiliate programs and start promoting products. It's like recommending your favorite movie, only you get paid for every sale made through your links. Step 5. Create and sell digital treasures. Whether it's an ebook, an online course, or printables, digital products are like money-making machines. Once they're out there, they keep generating income with almost no extra effort. Step 6. Automate your success. Set up email marketing and social media schedulers to keep your audience engaged. It's like having a team of robots working around the clock to boost your income. Step 7. Invest for passive income. Dive into dividend stocks, real estate crowdfunding, or peer-to-peer lending. Your money works for you while you kick back and relax. Step 8. Get on online marketplaces. Platforms like Fiverr or Upwork are your ticket to offering services and getting paid for what you do best. It's like having a global clientele right at your fingertips. Step 9. Track and tweak. Keep an eye on your earnings and performance. Regular check-ins help you fine-tune your strategies and focus on what really works. Step 10. Reinvest for growth. Use some of your earnings to learn new skills or enhance your tools. This reinvestment fuels your future success and helps you earn even more with less effort. And there you have it, 10 steps to start making money online with minimal time investment. Remember, every big journey starts with a single step, so don't be afraid to dive in and get started. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome content, and drop a comment below with your questions or experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.